Beautiful. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. Let's just close that. Might be a little loud. Okay, anyway, so hope you're having a good day. Today's video is a little different. Some of you might have this, some of you might not. Some of you might want to get one of these. So I thought, why not make a video on finding the best settings to capture the sound and reduce the wind on your Insta360. I have the X3 version, so everything done here is done with the X3 version, but I don't see anything being different, at least from X3 and up. All of these tests were done roughly at the same speed. I tried to capture the same speed as possible, both highway speeds and general cruising around. All these clips were taken on the same day, really probably 10-ish minutes apart from each other, so not for long. So all the weather and everything should be exactly the same, and the general area is the exact same. All of that out of the way, let's hop on into the testing. Is the wind noise reduction without the external microphone covers, and this is what it's going to sound like. Okay, now we're gonna try stereo. We'll see how that goes. Again, without the little microphone covers on it. All right, we got the noise mufflers on, and now we're gonna put it back to wind noise reduction, so let's see how this sounds. Okay, lastly, we're gonna try stereo with the mufflers on, so let's see how that goes. Okay, and that concludes the testing. Based on, my opinion and kind of the sound quality, it sounds like that last setup was good. So, with the stereo setup and then the microphone mufflers, I think it sounds good. It gets enough exhaust noise. The wind noise isn't that bad when the car's not really going. You don't really hear the exhaust, so that's good. So I think that's the sounds I'm going to be going with. If you are interested in seeing any of those videos, hit that subscribe button, please. It'll be on my YouTube shorts for the most part. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Link to those are both in the description. So until next time, we'll catch you later. Deuces.